How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. Open up your Facebook application and let's head to our first solution. Make sure you are not using brand new Facebook account. Your Facebook account should be old enough to access Marketplace. It is because of the Marketplace community guidelines which don't allow new accounts to access Marketplace to protect other users from unwanted activities and scam inside the Facebook Marketplace. Once your account is old enough, you can easily access Marketplace. But if you are already an old user and still can't access the marketplace, then second solution might come in handy. Let's head to our second solution. There are still some locations where marketplace is not available from the Facebook. So make sure that you are on the correct location where marketplace is available. In order to use this feature, you must be in eligible country where this features is available to you from Facebook, as this feature is country specific. But if you are still in correct location, though you can't access it, then upcoming solution might help you. Let's head to our third solution. There is a age restriction to access Facebook Marketplace. Not everyone can access it, so make sure that you have entered your birth date correctly so that you are 18 years or more than 18 years. If you are below than 18 years, you can't access this feature as Facebook Marketplace is related with money and it is risky to provide service to minors according to the Facebook Marketplace guidelines. Now let's learn how to edit birth date if you have entered it randomly while signing up for the first time in Facebook. Tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner. Once you are in a menu section, tap on the gear icon shown on the top right corner. After that, tap on See More in Account Center and you will enter the account section. Now simply tap on Personal Details under Account Settings. You will land to this page where you can see a date of birth. Simply tap on it. As I said earlier, make sure you have entered correct birth date. And if it's not correct, simply tap on the edit button and you can edit your birthday. But if you are 18 and you still can't access this feature, then upcoming solution might help you. Let's head to our fourth solution. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Facebook app. Head over to your Play Store or App Store. Right here in the search bar, search for the Facebook and if you see the update button, hit it. This might just solve your marketplace access issue. Let's head to our final solution. Maybe you might have a bug in your Facebook app. So try to access the web version of the Facebook. Open up your default browser. For me, it's Chrome. Right here in the search bar, type in facebook.com/marketplace. Hit enter and you will enter the official market page from Facebook. And you will be able to access the marketplace in web version of the Facebook. That's it for the today's video. You have successfully learned 5 solutions to solve the issue of marketplace is not available to you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.